then was Camarines National College of Arts and Trade. I really had the fond memories in this high school. Just like any other student, my school days were one of the best phase of my life. Mahirap lang po kami noon. Ang mother ko po ay isang public school teacher. And then my father is a military. He's a member of Philippine Constabulary before. And then, well, maliliit lang ang sweldo nila nung panahon. Kulang na kulang ang sweldo nila para sa aming 7 magkakapatid. So, we stay in Hako. So, kinailangan namin maglakad, makatipid sa pamasahe. Kahit, if I recall, during Mr. Puno time, minsan napagalitan po ako na tumalon ako sa bakod para makatipid lang ng pamasahe. I don't know kung nandiyan pa yung bakod na yun. So, kahit mahirap kami, masaya pong papasok ako sa araw-araw kadahilanan gusto kong matuto, lalong-lalo na sa paghubog ng aking technical skills na masasabi ko naging puhunan ko sa laban ng buhay. After graduation, I decided to go to Manila to pursue my college degree and at the same time plan to work to finance my studies. My parents were against this plan for fear that I will not be able to finish my studies and end up getting married. So, ang parents ko ay ayaw kong papuntang Manila dahil medyo malikot ako sa mga girlfriend daw before. Kaya ayaw nila. But at the same time, tinuloy ko pa rin. But pumunta ko Manila not looking for a girlfriend. Naghanap ako ng trabaho. And I'm so lucky that one of my aunt was able to find me a job as elevator operator. Sino nakakalam dito ng elevator? You know, elevator just come up and down, di ba? So, parang buhay yan. It's similar to parang gulong, no? Umiikot. So after that, actually, I will tell you honestly, one of the witness noon, nung buhay pa si Mr. Catura, and then my classmate si Pero Catura, si Pero siya ang living witness ko kung anong trabaho ko that time. I worked night shift and study in the afternoon at Samsung Institute of Technology in Tokap, 2 years course in refrigeration and air conditioning. Due to my technical skill that I acquired from CNC80, before we are called trader. Yan ang trademark namin that time, no? Which is all my batch, namimiss nilang tawagin kami trader. So kung sa business,